Make your Prezi Design content look just as good on mobile devices as it does on a big screen by adding a mobile layout. While working in the editor, select Layout in the bottom left corner of the screen. Choose Add Mobile Layout to create a mobile version of the project. You may notice that some of your content now overflows off your page. No problem. You can rearrange and resize the items to make sure everything fits and looks good in the mobile version. You can also resize the canvas by dragging one of the sides to the left or right, or by dragging the bottom part up or down. To switch between the desktop and mobile views, go to the Layout settings or simply tap the L key on your keyboard. Any structural changes you make to your mobile layout won't change anything you've done on the desktop layout. But keep in mind that if you delete something in one of the versions, it will also be erased from the other one. If you'd like to remove the mobile version of your project, select Layout and Remove Mobile Layout. Head on over to Prezi.com and make your next Prezi Design project fit any screen with mobile layouts.